Hello! Today I will be demonstrating how to insert a header into a Word document. So as you can see, I already have a blank Word document open right here, and I'm going to show you two different ways to insert a header. The first way is really easy. First, you just come up here and you double click, and a header pops up. This is easy because then you can just start typing or putting whatever you want up here. I'm going to show you a second way in case that way doesn't work for you. The second way is to go to Insert, Header, and I usually do blank, but you can play around with this. And let's say you wanted to insert a page number. You come up here to page number at the top of the page, and you can choose where on the page you want it to be. Usually for APA formatting, it would be over here on the left side. And once again, you can type your name. When you're done, you just click outside of the box, and it will return you back to your normal Word.